Welcome to Scopito Tutorials. This video covers the Asset Overview function and how it works. Let's get started. You will first bring up your inspections by navigating to the menu on the left of your screen and click on Inspections. This will be where all of your historical to current inspections are located on the Scopito software platform. To demonstrate, we will use this Powerline inspection with your inspection images that are used to create reports providing data you will need to deploy crews for maintenance and/or remediation activities. Here you will see the capability to aggregate all of this data up to an overview. For this asset overview to work, you will need to provide information about your tower IDs as well as the physical positions of them. This will ensure that all imagery, as uploaded, will automatically assign to the correct pole. You will then go to the menu on the left side of your screen and click Asset Overview, which will then bring up all of your inspections, including all of your inspection imagery for all of your assets. In this example, we have some transmission lines in Denmark. And as a side note, this is just demo data, so we're only seeing a small portion. But the green lines are circuits that are good, the red lines are not so good, and the yellow lines are indicating issues. Upon zooming in, you begin to see more information, as here you can see the blue dots indicate poles that have been inspected, while the gray dots are poles that have not yet been inspected, and the red dots being poles that have been inspected but currently have an issue pending. As an additional feature, upon zooming in further and clicking on the pole, you will see your historical inspections. In this example, we only have 2 inspections, but imagine if you have 10 years worth of inspections, you can very easily find that inspection from 2021 that was insulated screening. You do not have to rely on memory to determine where it was, when it was taken, or what the inspection was named. Simply clicking into an asset will give all the historic data for that asset. And by clicking on this particular inspection, you will be able to see the specific asset and the historic data and click to the image to see the insulator issue. Additionally, within the asset overview, by clicking on image details, here are the pole IDs attached to the images. And as previously mentioned, all of this happens automatically during the upload. And as you upload the images, they will be assigned to the closest asset. This also means that when you generate your reports, instead of just stating the location, the reports would actually state the specific tower on that circuit, making it that much easier for the maintenance crew to have that reference to match with their systems. Thank you for taking time to view this tutorial, and we'll see you in the next one.